Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete device from SmartThings. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete a device from SmartThings, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your SmartThings app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the devices option on the bottom of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is find the device you want to delete in the list. You can browse by room or device type as well. Then once selected, tap on the device to open its settings. Then once you're inside your device settings, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and then select edit or settings. Then once you're there, scroll down and then tap on delete device. Then what you need to do is confirm the deletion when you are prompted with this dialog box to successfully remove the selected device. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.